Hello everyone! Today we are going to be learning about another function within Python called forInRange. So, on our last video, we made the working calculator. And so today we are going to be learning about something else. So, the forInRange command works like this. For I in range parentheses, and then you write any number, 10. You enter, put double dots, then enter, and as you can see, you can just remove this part and press tab for the same result. That'll bring you as far away from the next line as you need. So let's just use a simple command called print. We learned about this in my very first video, so let's just say print Okay, so when we run our command, it's going to print subscribe 10 times. There, because this is forInRange 10. If we change it to forInRange 100, we're going to get an absurd amount of subscribes. It's a lot. Now, the thing about Python is you can keep stacking these zeros. And when you run your command, you'll get some insane results. But it does have a little bit of it has limitations, but as you can see, you can still get a lot bigger than the numbers in C or C+. So this works with anything. So if you would just write 75 and range 75 and you run, it'll print 75 times. And now this takes this acts as a variable. It takes the meaning from 0 to 75 to 74. Okay, let's make this a smaller number. It'll be hard to understand a little soon. So I is like a variable. So if you just ask the program to print letter I, it'll print it. It'll print I. The first I is equal to 0, and the last I is equal to 9. Now if you want it to take the meaning from 0 to 10, you're going to have to write 10 plus 1, or just write 11. Both of them work. Here, 10, and if I just say 10 plus 1, same results. So, and I can be used as a variable. For example, plus 10. No, plus just 1. Now, each of these numbers is going to be hired by a single number, by 1. So now you have from 1 to 11. The 1 is going to be the 0, and the 11 is going to be the 10, since you're adding by 1. Let's just add 10 to see if we're right. 20 and 10. Easy. And it also works like this. So let's distract our command with, let's say, some something. So let's just use our print and ask it to print I plus 10. So hypothetically, we're supposed to get 20 because I takes the meaning from 0 to 10, and if you don't put your print within the 4, you do that by removing this tab. Every single time you press tab, it moves a little bit. So if you remove that, like there's no space between the new line and your print, if you do that, it will take... Oh, yes, we still have to distract our for loop. So let's just ask it to, let's say, print 5. Literally doesn't matter. Oh. So there. So we distracted our command with the 5. It really isn't necessary. And here is our result, 20. So that is it for today, and I hope you learned something.